Hi there, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. Today we're going to make old-fashioned homemade hot cocoa. Not Swiss, not anything that comes pre-powdered in the store. Today we're making it from scratch. So first, we're not going to start off with a heated saucepan. We're not going to do any of that yet. What we're going to do, I'm going to show you step by step. And we'll be right back and we'll get started. Okay, you're going to add 1/4 cup of Hershey's Cocoa Powder. Use Hershey's. Don't use anything off-brand. Use Hershey's. I date and mark everything with expiration dates. It's easier. You're going to take that 1/4 cup of Hershey's cocoa, pour it in a cold saucepan. You're going to take, if you're using sugar, you're going to use you can use half a cup, but you can use this is Splenda. You can use a cup of sugar or a cup of Splenda. You're going to add that in there. Now, use evaporated milk, carnation or pet. You can use one of those, or you can use the store brand evaporated milk. You're going to pour that in here. And to that, you're going to add 1 can of water. And my pot, my tea kettle over here heating. So I'm adding this, got my hot water from the tea kettle. And I'm going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to whisk it together first. And you're going to bring that to a boil. Since this is mine, that's why I use Splenda. They don't eat chocolate in this house. No one eats chocolate but me. So this is all for mother. You have my little container. And when you start, it's going to settle in the bottom as it sits in the fridge. You just give it a shake. Now you don't want to cook it because you're going to burn your milk. You just want to bring it to a boil, just a simmer, like a simmer boil. If those of you that don't quite know what a simmer is when it starts to bubble around the edges. That's a simmer. A boil is boiling, like when you're boiling an egg. You just want to simmer. And the reason why I'm whisking it to make sure that cocoa powder gets dissolved. If it's too sweet for you, all you have to do is add some more milk to your tasting. Don't add any more cocoa powder, because cocoa powder can be a little overpowering. Just add some more milk to it. That's what my grandmama used to do. You see that? Because I don't want it to spill. I'm going to pour it in a pitcher. Once it starts simmering, I'll pour it into a pitcher and then transfer it into my little handy dandy. You can smell it. It smells so good. So if I get you down. See the simmer? You turn it off here. This is where you turn it off at. You see, I'm going to transfer to a pitcher because the pitcher has a spout. And you know how things can run down a boiler. But I'm going to give me one of my little muggies. And why not make it a little extra special with a little whipped cream? I always gotta be special. And here it is. Homemade hot cocoa made with Hershey's Cocoa Powder. Too hot to sip, but I'm gonna eat this with cream. Perfect. So easy, so simple. Like and subscribe to Auntie Nell's Kitchen.